Before you pay for a VPN, you should know this. There's actually a way to try Surfshark completely risk-free, and most people don't even realize it exists. Hi guys, welcome back to the Techno Galaxy. In this video, I'll show you how to use Surfshark for free, what features you get, and whether it's actually worth paying for. Let's be honest, a lot of VPNs promise us faster speeds, better security, and access to Netflix libraries. But once you pay, you realize it's slow, blocked, or just not worth it. That's why testing a VPN before committing is super important. Surfshark offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which basically lets you test everything without risk. Here's how it works. Just click the special link in the video description box down below, then choose the plan which you think is best for you, and then use the VPN normally for up to 30 days. If you don't like it, just request a refund. No complicated process, you simply contact support and get your money back. Let me show you what you can actually do with it. You can connect to different countries, access Netflix libraries, get fast connection speeds, and also use Surfshark on unlimited devices. You can literally connect your phone, laptop, tablet, and smart TV, all at the same time. Now let's know why people choose Surfshark. So here are a few things that make Surfshark stand out. First of all, no logs policy. Your activity isn't tracked. They have fast servers worldwide with 100+ server locations and unlimited device connections. Most VPNs limit you to 5 or 6 devices at most, but Surfshark lets you connect everything. Now, if you want to try Surfshark yourself, I've put a special link in the video description. Using that link usually unlocks the best discount currently available, the 30-day money-back guarantee, and full access to all features, so you can test it completely risk-free. If you want to protect your privacy, access global content, and test Surfshark yourself, check out the link below. And if this video helped you understand how the free trial works, please don't forget to like the video, comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more tech guides. I will see you guys on our next video. Until then, please take care and stay safe, everyone.